What's up, Giggle Gang? Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we shine a spotlight on the funniest construction fails on the planet. We've scoured social media to find clips so hilarious they'd make a hard hat blush. From workers tripping over their own dreams to machinery with a flair for drama, we've got it covered. New videos every day. So hit subscribe, share your own crazy stories, and let's keep the laughs coming.
Hey, you comedy connoisseurs. So, tell me, didn't those construction clips have you in stitches? Were my worksite jesters making you cackle so loud you scared your cat off the couch? Don't bolt yet. The next moments are going to be funnier than a bulldozer doing a stand-up routine. Expect epic fails and tools with a flair for the dramatic. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like forgetting your lines in a comedy roast. Ha! Subscribe, share your reactions, and let's keep this laughter train rolling.
Wasn't ready for her.
that's the end of this wild ride. If your face isn't sore, I need a new job. Thanks for watching. 7 p.m. tomorrow. Let's do it.